Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Scotch Elementary School in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan, part of the West Bloomfield School District, and getting to share my heart again today with all the students and staff, grades 2 through 5. Right here in the cafeteria, the topic, the focus for today, the primary focus was diversity, right? And this means our differences. So we could be different on the outside, how we're born, how we walk, talk, see, hear, learn, our skin color, the clothes we wear, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak. We have to honor and respect everything on the outside, but also what's on the inside, right? And so we have so many different talents and gifts and abilities, and we really have to appreciate that too. So I really tried to impart on their hearts today that we should really embrace diversity, right? And if we do that, then we grow, because we can learn from each other. We're all from different walks of life, and you know, our true education, yes, we learn in the classroom and the books and everything else, but it's also from the interactions with other people, right? And if we have a closed heart, it can shield us from meeting some potentially amazing friends, maybe best friends. So to keep our hearts open to that is huge. And this also tied into the concept of unconditional love. And that's love without any conditions, right? So if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider than us, skinnier than us, if they wear glasses or not, if they're disabled or not, if there's any type of difference between them and us, whatever it is, we can still choose love, right? Above all things, and overcome any hate in our hearts, any judgments which are okay to have, but we want to get past those assumptions, right? And really get to know someone, right? Kind of walk in their shoes. And for me, you know, that is huge, because this world needs a lot more kindness, right? The sub-theme was need human kindness, like the front of my shirt here. And my friend and I designed this a few years ago. You see the peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin. But there's also 2 people inside this logo, because it's not just about showing kindness to ourselves. We have to also show it to others. And it's so important that we do that, because if I say something kind to someone else, or do something kind for someone else, if there's another person that it's not done towards, but just sees it or hears that kindness, sees the kindness, it might change their heart in a positive way too, right? And so just to know that we have the opportunity, then the choice every day to choose kindness, to choose love, to, you know, really have a conscious effort to show compassion to others, to accept others, to include others. That's really what I was trying to hammer home. Along with, you know, diversity being so awesome, because if all of us were the same, that'd be very boring, right? But the fact that we're all different, the fact that we're all unique, it's what makes schools like this and all over the world so beautiful, right? And the students really got that through the heartfelt stories, you know, the interactive examples that we did, the inspirational videos, the positive hip hop, you know, everything intertwined was really trying to just impress upon them, you know, that we need to fully be all in for this planet and understand that just one act of kindness each and every day, right, is how we start to change this world, right? Not just our school community or the people around us, but it has that ripple effect, right, where it keeps going and going and going. And an act of kindness is never lost, right? It will always continue on. And sometimes that person that you show it towards, they may not have any reaction, but they're never going to forget that you took the time to really show them that type of love. So thanks for touching my heart. It's another beautiful day here on campus. Can't wait to be back again in the future. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.